Happy New Year, besties!
I just finished filming my last video of the year. I'm tired. At breakfast, I just knew how to pa. Actually, I'll show you guys. I have like a book where I have been writing all the ideas that have been popping, but I want like really cute, personalized journal, or maybe not personalized journal or diary. Some those things. I want it in pink. I'm going to go and check minis, or maybe later in the week. If I step out on maybe tomorrow, I'm going to go and check if I can find it in minis. Just finished filming, and the video that I filmed, I don't know. The video has not gone up yet. I have not even edited it. Like, this is what I want to film the video. I don't know how the video is going to do, but I'm projecting and telling God. Like, I just finished telling God what I want the video to do, and I believe He's going to listen and grant my wish. And it's a video where I shared how much I made in 2023 as like a YouTube partner, and how much I made in my first 6 months of monetization. Like, I didn't hide anything. I shared everything, my analytics, everything, and I really hope and pray it does well, because honestly, that is like the prayer of every content creator. And I'm just lying down on the couch. I'm actually very tired. I'm not hungry, I'm just tired. I don't know why. I'm just tired. Thinking of taking like a nap. It's currently 1:44, so I'm thinking of taking a nap. Maybe when I wake up, then I'll eat. There's actually food. I'm not just hungry. And it's skinning. I want to also I need like jewelries. I need earrings and rings, knuckle rings. I just want to sleep, honestly. Sleep. I also have a video that should be going up by 5 p.m. That's my detailed watch day routine video. It's meant to go by 5 p.m. I've finished editing it. I've done my tags. I've not done the description. I've done my thumbnail. I've uploaded my thumbnail. What else? Guys, my editing app, I use InShot to edit. In case you don't know, I do yearly subscription, and my subscription has expired for this year. So I normally do like a year, because it saves me money, and I don't have to be thinking every month of what to do. But now I think I don't even, so the normal rate is 6,200 naira per month, but they are doing like 50% promo. That's like 3,100. It's not that I don't have the money, but my body is just doing me somehow to pay. Actually, we still pay. This delaying does not even cut it. I should just go ahead and make the payments. But I don't have a card. I've not used a card this year. I stopped using ATM cards since last year, but I normally use my sister's card if I need to do anything that has to do with card. So I think I just need to transfer into her account and use her card to pay. I don't know why I'm sulking, but I will still pay the money. I will still pay. So I'm just going to take a nap. I have started creating content for next year, even though I am taking a break. Money has to be made. I have very big goals for 2024. Very big goals. New Year is it 4 days? 29, 3 days, Jesus. 29, 30, 31st, this 28, Jesus. I have some wigs I need to make up, and they need to be ready in 2 weeks. And I'm here slouching. Anyway. What should I do, guys? Water. I have never tried this drink. And it's probably because I am not always very practical with food, drinks. I'm not always very practical. When it comes to food, anything that's in my stomach, I stick with what I know because my stomach can be very, very silly. So I'll take water.